Did 2 little ponytails. Did that. Got the lace together, edges laid, lashes on, you know. But yeah. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, y'all see me. Period. Yeah. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe right now before the video start. Y'all know what it is. We at like 255, 256. We trying to get to 300. So come on, y'all. Subscribe. Subscribe to y'all, girl. Y'all acting like y'all ain't. I don't be posting no good videos. Y'all know I be posting good videos. So come on. Join the team. You know, the brats. So you know my name is Yasmin. Yes, period. Yeah. But this video is gonna be a wig install. Y'all been asking, so I'm gonna give it to y'all. We doing the whole nine, the whole scalp method, what I use, what glue I use, all of it. Y'all gonna see all of it, okay? So let's get into this video. I already gel back my hair so it can be a little flat in the under the wig cap and stuff, because you know my hair growing, so yeah, it's a little thick. So we gotta like get it down. Y'all see I already gelled it down and everything. So we finna do that cap method right now. Bingo. Blow dryer look like this. It's not like the typical, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be using that for this, whatever. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, and the wig is the wig I've been wearing. Y'all see me? Yeah, I'm fine. Fine. This wig is on my Amazon storefront. It's 28 inches. It is deep wave, water wave, whatever you want to call it. And it is Swiss lace, 13x4. And the Swiss lace is actually pretty good, pretty decent for it to be Swiss. I thought it was HD, but when I bought it, it was actually Swiss, and it says Swiss on there. Didn't pay attention. But I did get it. You can get it same day delivery, or you can get it the next day. It just depends on what time you order it today. But that link is in my bio. I'm gonna put the link down below so y'all can just click on it, take it, copy it, paste it. It's direct link, and yeah, do that. Who don't want a 20H wig under $200 and it worked good? It worked better than wig you're gonna get from AliExpress. Okay, you're gonna buy cheap, you might as well get this wig. I'm telling you, like, look how good it is. Big, it's real big. I don't like wearing my hair wet like that water wave. I don't like it wet. I like it real big, poofy, because that's how my hair is before I had cut it and locked it. My hair get real big like this, so that's how I like my hair. But if y'all want it wet, it get real nice, real wet. So yeah, get that wig. Anyways, let's get into this video. Yeah, period. So this is the cap I'll be using. This is a cap that came with the wig. I'm using like stockings, like from the beauty spot, the panty sheer. But I'm out and I ain't feel like going to the store to buy another one. So I'm gonna just use this cap because I'm only gonna wear this wig for like another week, take a break, and then I'm getting my hair done for my graduation. So also, do y'all want a graduation vlog like me doing, like getting my makeup done? If I'm getting my makeup done, I don't know, cause y'all know my skin look good, period. But I don't know if I want to get my makeup done. But do y'all want to see like the whole little thing, like me at the graduation going, you know, how it ended up going? And yeah, I'm having a graduation party, so y'all can see that too. Y'all want me to vlog that? I can vlog it if y'all want it. You know, comment below right now. Comment below if you want a graduation vlog, okay? And I'm gonna give it to y'all, period. And that's all. But let's get this on. I don't do all that cutting. Oh, I ain't got my scissors in here. Oh, I do got my scissors in here, okay. But damn, this stocking keep fucking breaking my nails. I'm trying to grow my nails out so I can get my nails done. Okay, but okay, it's on her. So I got this spray. This mug fire. Y'all need to buy this. It's the new one they just recently came out with. Y'all need to buy that. And then I also got the freeze spray. I'm trying not to use this as much because it do damage your hair. Proven fact. Just letting y'all know. So yeah, I'm finna look in the mirror, but y'all gonna see me spraying it though, okay? Okay, so we got this on her. Now I'm about to go over with a little free spray, okay? I'm finna plug in the blow dryer. Finna blow dry this down a little bit. So now y'all can see it's dry. Now I'm finna put the glue along my hairline and then dry that, and then I'm gonna cut it. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna be back. See it? Okay. Let me use some. You're gonna rub it back towards your hairline. Oh shit. So y'all, it is now dry. It's a little tacky, but it's okay. And I'm finna get to cutting. I lost my actual scissors, so hey, this is what we're using right now. Whew, couldn't see for a minute. I'm trying to cut it to my exact hairline. If you want your hairline like a little above, you know, like your forehead, you got like a little scar on your face, you want to cover it up for a little minute, pull it, like keep it where you want it to be. But for me, I want it to go along my actual hairline. Y'all see? My actual hairline, okay? So that's what we're finna do. So we're gonna pull it back a little bit. Now, where my little thing here? Okay. Now we're finna use the little razor instead of those big old bulky scissors. Okay. It went back a little bit, but it's okay. I'm gonna have it together, okay? And then the next step is gonna actually like glue the glue, lay the glue down, 3 layers of the glue, And then we're gonna install the wig, all of that good stuff, lay the edges, all of it. Okay? Okay. Period. Now let's get into this. Yeah. I'm gonna be right back. Put some glue around the part that's not laid down all the way. I'm finna go dry this up with the blow dryer and I'm gonna be back. Hey guys, this is it being already a little tacky, you know, still for the glue that we gonna lay down. So, you know, nice and flat. So, before we lay the glue down, I'm gonna put some makeup on my cap and yeah. If I can find my makeup shit. Oh. Okay. So, this is what I use. I use Morphe. It is foundation filter deep 36. Okay. So if you like me, skin tone, this probably be good for you. And I love this foundation. It's actually a real nice. I don't even wear makeup like that, but when I put it on, you can't even tell I even have it on. So it's real nice, real thin, real light. So now we done with the makeup part. Y'all, I look like the dang the little thing from the Proud Family movie. I forgot what dance what they was doing, but they was getting it, boy. But that's what I look like right now. But anyways, let's get into this glue process because I'm tired and I want to go to sleep. So what I use is Charnisa Sade. Oh no, Charissa. I don't know, but this is what I use. The glue is fire. That must stay. Yeah, like for real, really stay. If y'all want it, go ahead and look her up. Her Instagram. I'll try to find her Instagram and put it in here. If I can't, I'll let y'all know eventually when I find it. But I used to work at a beauty supply in Nashville, and we saw her products. She had like an ambassador came in, and they sell her products in the store. So y'all need to come and get one of these, okay? What is it? 81st Deli Superior. So we finna put that first layer on. It's getting real tacky, y'all. This is gonna be the last one. I'm putting a lot to make sure it really stays on the lace, the actual cap, and then off my crown on my head, where my hair starts, my hairline. Take some clips, clip at her back and out the way when you lace the wig, okay? I know you can see the lace, but just wait, okay? Trust the process. Trust the process, okay? Ooh. I'm spraying it onto the lace, okay? Not the actual hair, but onto the lace. I'm rubbing it in. And I'm finna tie down. So yeah, I'm finna let this dry for like 15-20 minutes, and I'll be back to show y'all what's. So I took the scarf off, and this how the lace is sitting right now. We finna get into them edges. Then we're gonna use my little lace tint mousse. I got 2 different kinds of lace tint mousse. So yeah, and then I'm gonna lay them edges down with, you know, my favorite, Creme. And then we're gonna relay it down, and I'm gonna come back with the finished product. I'm gonna get this part together later, but let's get into these edges. So I'm finna pull out what I'm about to use for my edges, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it parted off, so y'all can see. gonna put my scarf back on. I'll be back in another 15 minutes. For like 2 seconds for y'all. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. So I did a style and I'm about to go to class. But yeah, I just finished it in the morning. Did 2 little ponytails, did that. Got the lace together, edges laid, lashes on, you know. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure if y'all got any recommendations, anything, in the comments below. And then also make sure y'all follow me on Instagram for daily content always. And make sure we get to 300 subscribers, y'all. We had 266 last time I checked this morning. And yeah, I hope y'all have a great day. And thank you guys for watching, okay? See you guys later. Bye.